how to quickly and easily adjust video speed with DaVinci Resolve Studio. Okay, so this is our video. First of all, let's take a look at the normal speed of this video. Just click play. Okay, so this is the normal speed of the video. Now right click on the video in the video track 1 and select change speed. Now here you can see an option comes up. So the normal speed of the video is set to 1.00, and if you wish to adjust the speed, if you want to slow down the video, choose anything below 1. So for example, if I put 0.5, that's going to be half of the normal speed. And now if I click play again, you can see the video is in slow motion now. Now if you increase this to, for example, 3, just around 3, now if you hit play, it should be a few times faster than the normal speed. Okay, and if you wish to adjust a particular part of the video, then you can actually crop your video. So you can choose, so this is the timeline. Let's say if I want to adjust the speed at around 10 seconds, you can cut the video, split the clip. Now you can see we have two parts of our video, and again you need to select the part that you want to adjust. So I want to adjust the first part of the video, change it to 0.5, and the other half can be something like crazy fast, 7, and then if you hit play, the beginning of the video should be really slow, and then the second half is going to be really fast. So let's see how this looks. That's the slow motion. Now we're approaching the fast video part. There you go. And that's it.